Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this very short tutorial, I will be showing you how to screenshot on Windows. Now before I start, I'm using a 13th Gen HP Victus 15 laptop with a 500 GB SSD storage and upgraded RAM of 24 GB, as you can see on screen. Now without further ado, to screenshot your laptop on Windows, basically, there are two ways to take a screenshot on your laptop. The first method is by pressing the Windows key and the print screen key. This will automatically take the screenshot of the whole screen of your PC. But if you don't want to do that, maybe you just want to take the screenshot of a fraction of your screen. You can use the second method, which is to simply press the Windows key, then the Shift key, and then the letter S key simultaneously. When you do that, it will bring up a little menu box at the top where you get to choose if you just want to take a screenshot of a part or whole of the screen, or you want to take a record of a part or whole of the screen. And yes, you can do that using the second method. My personal favorite method is the second method because I mostly multitask and have more than 3 tabs open at the same time. So I use the second method to take a screenshot of just a part of my screen which I usually need. Depending which PC you are using, you can also take the screenshot by pressing only the print screen key. It's the key with the letters PrtScn. It's just like the second method. When you do this, the cursor will change to a plus symbol. All you need to do next is to hover to the area you want to screenshot, then click and drag to snip the area, and you are done. If you are trying to find the screenshot pictures, it should be in the screenshot folder in your pictures folder. So this is how to screenshot on Windows.